Hello students, today we'll do the chapter The Human Robot by Ira Saxena. Let's discuss about the author. A child psychologist, writer and critic of children's book, Dr. Ira Saxena has been writing mostly realistic stories, novels and non-fiction on the non-violent struggle for India's independence. Her short stories and novels on the computer crime have been very popular among children. She is committed to the cause of children's literature in India and has written extensively about the various aspects of child's life. Her award-winning books are The Virus Trap, Gajmukta Ki Talash and Manmoji Mamaji. Before starting the chapter, I would like to discuss with you the learning outcomes. Students, after reading this chapter, you will be able to apply the moral lessons of three principles in your life, namely faithfulness to the master and total obedience, never harming human beings, at the same time never accepting harm to self. Students, you will be able to summarize the story of the chapter in your own language after reading the chapter. Students, you will also be able to write diary entry from any character's point of view. Dear students, there are two major characters in the chapter, Ram Singh 070, the robot, and Prem Chopra, the thief. Now let's discuss the sequence of the story. Prem Chopra enters Super Robots Plaza. Prem Chopra, a thief and a trickster. Trickster means the person who cheats others or who deceives others. Enters Super Robots Plaza. Super Robots, the best and the most renowned plaza in town. Prem Chopra wants a robot to act as an accomplice. Accomplice means partner in crime. Prem Chopra considers proper investment for his latest loot, that he considers that it is the best way to invest for the latest loot. His guilt makes him feel nervous and different, as he is going to use the robot to steal, so he is nervous. Different types of robots. Salesman describes the function of different types of robots to Prem Chopra. Salesman tells about robots for industry, construction companies, plumbing, caretaking, domestic help, etc. Prem Chopra tells robot needed for domestic help and buying grocery, and he told his requirement. Taken to decorated hall full of robots. Prem Chopra led into a huge dome-shaped hall, right corner of the hall crowded with robots in metallic silver, electric blue and green color. Some robots were operational and some were switched off. He was welcomed by one silver robot. Robot Ram Singh 07 bot. A robot in metallic blue. He is programmed to suit Prem Chopra's requirement. He takes command from a remote control. He is operated within a radius of half a kilometer. Prem Chopra decides to buy it. This is the description of Ram Singh 070. The three principles of the robotics impress Prem Chopra. The three principles are: the robot will obey his master, the robot will not harm humans, the robot will not take harm to self. Prem Chopra signs the sale deed and contract of no misuse of the robot. However, Prem Chopra thinks he got a servant and an accomplice. Ram Singh's shoplifting exploits. Ram Singh used the robot for shoplifting, ordered to shoplift jewels, necklace and precious stones. Prem Chopra wants the robot not to reveal the information. He threatened him that he would be diffused. The metallic blue robot obeys all the commands dutifully. Prem Chopra ordered him and watched him from a distance. Ram Singh 070 exposed. A fruit vendor notices Ram Singh's deed of stealing a bunch of Afghani grapes. incident was related all over. Many shopkeepers recall the presence of the metallic blue robot. Information reaches to the police headquarters. Hidden computerized cameras in Jewelry Brothers was exposed and Ram Singh 070 was caught red-handed by the police. Prem Chopra flees the scene. He flees from the scene. Prem Chopra was later on arrested as Ram Singh's license number betrays Prem Chopra, but he was bailed. As no illegal activity could be pinned on Prem Chopra, not a single article shoplifted by the robot was recovered from him, thus he was released on bail. And Prem Chopra cleverly disposed all the articles through his gang. Now, the court scene. Prem Chopra denies his involvement in the scene and he believes someone else has tampered with the robot. Government counsel Goel summons Ram Singh to court and plans to unwind memory tape. Courtroom jam-packed. Jam-packed here means overcrowded. People keen to watch robot in a witness box. Ram Singh interrogated. Ram Singh dutifully follows Prem Chopra's earlier instruction and refuses to reveal vital information. Counsel tells Ram Singh his shoplifting exploits have harmed some human beings. Now Ram Singh is in dilemma. His clash of principles, he is not prepared to disobey his master and he is also not prepared to harm human beings. Therefore Ram Singh decides to resolve the issue by disintegrating himself and commits suicide and dies. Silence is everywhere and counsel was depressed. However, Prem Chopra realizes his mistakes, experiences turn of heart, pleads guilty. As Robot Ram Singh's sacrifice brought about a change of heart in Prem Chopra and he pleaded guilty. So the story teaches us the moral lesson of the three principles on which the robots have been programmed, namely faithfulness to the master and total obedience, never harming human beings and at the same time never accepting harm to self. These principles, if followed strictly by human beings, will bring heaven on earth. Even a thief has a change of heart and pleads guilty after seeing the sacrifice made by Ram Singh 070. It also teaches us that, like the robot, one should sacrifice one's life rather than one's principles. Students, this is the list of difficult words of the chapter which is already shared with you. I hope you will be able to understand the chapter, but you have to read it thoroughly because you have to do the question answers of OBT. Thank you.